Hello guys, I'm back. So essentially I just installed a motion sensor based light in the dashboard since Kia did not give one. So the small nifty thing, let's see how it works. So right now it just goes off, and it works only in when the light is low in dark. So once you open it up, it detects the motion and it switches itself on. When there is no motion, after 30 seconds it will automatically switch off. So here you can see it is on, and then yeah, there you see it goes off. So I open up the dash again and switches on. A good solution.